So this is Kuta Beach, looking to the north there. And as you can see, that tide is really high. Plane landing over there at the airport. There's Central Mall right over there, that white building. And I just can't believe it. There's almost nobody here. So I missed our pet shop. This is Sun Pets. And yeah, we're getting cat food. It's just fun observing the traffic when it backs up like this. Oh, they made it. They made it. It's tight, but they're all making it. The whole line gets to move forward now. Okay, there they go again. There they go. We got one on the sidewalk. Yes, yes, two on the sidewalk. Woohoo! Yeah, they all got it. They all got it. Oh, here comes more. Oh, look at that. 4 up. 4 up. Yeah. Yeah. This time we didn't ride to JFC. We parked over here at the Teuku Umar and just took a short little walk to avoid this mess. But now I think we need to go somewhere that's down that way, and I don't think we're going to be able to avoid the mess. So I've missed this guy for more than a year. This is the awesome Forge man, my friend. I miss him so much. It's good to see him. So glad to be back here. He's the best. I wish I would have bought the GoPro tonight because I cut across that crazy traffic and I'm really proud of myself. It was a total ballsy move. And yeah, and I saw the Forge guy. I'm so happy. But anyway, yeah, this is Warung Kaka. It's by our house. And here's the nice, friendly black kitty that's always here. Ah. Yeah, that's right. You're the friendly kitty from our other video. So here's an interesting little fact about our Honda Beat. We bought it in 2017, and it's been through a lot of trips, a lot of quick trips, a lot of long trips. I think we paid about $1,200 at the time with that exchange rate back then, and it still runs better than a typical rental scooter would. So they were pretty fast tonight. Got the chopped chai. It's gonna be fresh and hot when we get home. Speaking of hot, our apartment is going to be baking hot. Setting up the kitty table so I can eat without getting crumbs on the bed. Alright, today's going to be hopefully a good video. We are going to go check out the new place and maybe you'll get a little pre-tour. It's almost ready and we're almost ready to move in. Today we've got to go and receive another item, be there for a delivery, check on the custom work that's being done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time to rock and roll. You think a bully can't pull this off, huh? Watch this. Bingo! Like a boss. Is it left here, Mama? Left here? Yeah. This is going into our upstairs. Come along. So we're back now, and it's really hot outside. And yeah, that's our big surprise. We're moving, and we've known it now for about 3 weeks. And we were looking for a place to rent where we kind of figured if the majority of or all our first year's rent went into remodeling, that's kind of what we were looking for, and that's exactly what we found. So we've been waiting patiently for that remodeling to be finished. So it's almost there. We're only a few days away. They're going to be paving the street soon also, so that's another thing that we kind of planned ahead for. So it was a dirt road, well it still is a dirt road, and it's going to be paved, and it's going to have you know, a lot of new appliances inside, and yeah, so this is a big step for us. This is chicken, rice, ayam, nasi ayam, I don't know. But anyway, it's basically just flavored chicken and flavored rice. Now the rice looks plain, so you can't see the flavor, but it is absolutely delicious. And then of course a couple of ayam goreng legs from JFC, and as always I have to point out that I'm eating at the kiddie table again so that I don't get crumbs on the bed. So this place here we just rode to on Teuku Umar, this is like the Home Depot of Bali. I didn't even know they had such a thing, but it's huge in there, and it's mostly building supplies and appliances and stuff like that, so this ought to be interesting. So here's some nice tiles here for those of you who want to retire, come here and build your own villa. Look at that, all down there, all choices. So this whole section on this side of the store, the left side, seems to be the whole paint area. There's some bathrooms set up over here, and this is rocking the old school toilet right there. In case you're into that, that's actually that's less than 20 bucks. Here's something you do not see often in Bali unless you're at a higher end villa or place, and that's a bathtub. We've never had one in our apartment, and we're not going to have one in our new place either, so yeah, we're not exactly rich. Oh, look at this bathtub. It's even got jets like a hot tub. And the sinks are really cool here because over here, as you can see, nice stone, nice shapes like this. You see those in villas a lot, but you can put them in your home if you'd like. This thing is really cool, whatever it is. Oh, that would be fun for the outside ledge. So here you got some water machines, and these are actually a cheaper price than a lot of the main stores we've been to, or the big electronic stores. This place has some really good deals. And yeah, you're probably all thinking, yeah dude, we've all been to Home Depot. Thanks for the show. But we're going back down. I think we're gonna hit another store while we still can. Yep, it's dark outside. Looks like we got some night riding action to go. The move is coming along well. We haven't moved yet, but today I secured all the new beds for the place, and I'm happy that that is totally out of the way. And then I still need to buy one more water heater for the upstairs shower. I've already got the one for the downstairs shower. Everything's almost done. We just need the electrical finished and one bathroom finished, and then it's ready to move in. So it's been a real mountain to climb, a big change for us. And yeah, but we're almost there. So anyway, this is just kind of around the neighborhood. It's one of the properties there on a street next to ours. And then right back here is this is Cebu. It's like a mini mart right here, pretty close to our place. And then if you can see, that's our apartment right back there on the corner, the tall one. So this is all our neighborhood. Tiga kardus, Mama found.
Just take it. Just take it.
Thank you.
Just take it.
Nice guy, all right. Gonna grab a bintang tonight. I think I've earned it today. Went to the gym, got a lot done, got the beds, went over to the new place, checked on that. So my friend, who's Balinese, knows we're moving, and he's my good buddy, security at our apartment. And you know, the Balinese tradition is they have a certain time or day, I should say, when you should do something or engage in something, and then days when you shouldn't. And apparently this week is not a good week on their calendar. So we're gonna wait at least a couple days before we move, or until this week is over, essentially. So yeah, there's that. And you know, me, I'm not. I just roll with it all. You know, to me, life's a video game, and I'm just gonna play it until I conk out. You know. Hopefully, there's some extra lives, but unfortunately, I don't think so. So, Mama and her cartoons. And I almost said caboose. And this is my old gym here, but I don't go there anymore. And this is our G-Mart where I'm gonna go get beer. We need beer, Mama. All right, got some beer for the night. Nice and cold. And yeah, so to sum it all up, we're almost there with this big step. And it's a really big step because we've lived in this apartment now for since 2017, almost 4 years. We're almost at our 4-year anniversary here, so this is a big step for the family. And of course, our plans have been altered and are in the process of being altered because of the freaking Rona. Oh yeah, let's just go to the circle then. My friends, the circle. Loving it. Oh, it's not even busy right now. Woohoo! Round and round we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Oh, we're gonna slide right in here. And he's gonna slide right in there. And he's gonna go right, and we're gonna go straight, and it's a big, confusing mess, but we got it. Yeah, good time. Oh, it's like Metro. Oh, the tree that hit me before. 3 years ago. Okay, so this part coming up is really confusing for me because the traffic stops on one side and it keeps going on the other. You kind of gotta get into this line on the stopping side. It's kind of in the middle somewhere. So that's what we're gonna be pulling off here in a minute. And now we do this crazy in-between shit right here. Like so. Okay, not so bad this time so far.